Hi everyone, in previous video I shared basic information on creating collage in DaVinci Resolve. In this video I will show an example of creating an interesting transition. Add videos to the timeline, place them one above another. Go to Effects and add video collage on the top video. Set the workflow parameter to create tile. Enable preview layout. Go to Tiles. In Active Tiles, select Tiles 2. In the Custom Size tab, set the End Row parameter to 2. Return to Globals. Enable or create guide lines. Set keyframes for left-right mergence and horizontal offset. Move 10 frames forward, set additional keyframes for the same parameters and return to frame 0. Adjust the tile size so it fits within the guide lines. Copy top clip, right-click the middle clip, then select Paste Attributes. Temporarily disable the top clip. Remove previously created keyframes on the middle clip at frame 0. Set keyframes on horizontal spacing parameter at frame 0 and frame 10. At frame 0, change the parameter to 1. Disable preview layout, go to Tiles and Active Tiles, select Tiles 1. Enable the top clip and also disable preview layout. Copy middle clip, paste attributes to the bottom clip. Go to Tiles and Active Tiles, select Tiles 3. Guide lines are no longer needed. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.